Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see joy of computing using Python NPTEL assignment for week 5. So we are ready to start. So go to course week 5 assignment 5. For our first question, correct answer will be option D. Question 2, correct answer will be again option D, that is 1. Question 3, correct answer will be option A, option B and option C. Question 4th, correct answer will be option B. Question 5th, correct answer will be option B, that is audio data. Question 6th, correct answer will be option C, that is fraction of thrones where both players showed the same symbol. Rock, paper, scissors. Question 7th, correct answer will be option B. The search continue in the right half of the array. Question 8th, correct answer will be option A. That is the list must be sorted. Question 9th, correct answer will be option B. Question 10th, answer will be 1. Thank you guys. We have completed all 10 questions of this assignment. Now we can submit our assignment. Thank you guys. I hope this video is